and making tracks from a crate of old wax. I reinvent with good intent, so you can tell from the sound it's time well spent. Sent from the past to elevate for the mass. You form material just to show you got class. Well, I'm a bigger man, so I let the nonsense pass. You need to open your eyes because my mind stays fast. Let it be known that my wisdom is shown, that perfection is the key to unlock my microphone. I'm penetrating your zone, leaving all spots blown, but you never would have guessed it from the sound of my tone. When you see me around, just hit me off with a pound, and I'll be the first to show you how the pro gets down. On that note, I think it's time for me to slide. Never question the fact, it's the sound that we provide.
You get the feel, so slide to the side. Technical difficulties. You get the feel, so slide to the side. Technical difficulties. You get the feel, so slide to the side. Technical difficulties. You get the feel, so slide to the side. Technical difficulties.
My pen blends smoothly over paper landscapes. Collective thoughts build as I start to create. The essence of soul is dispensed in my control. The essence is birth to move the crowd at every show. Cause we provide the sound that excites the underground profile. The chosen one to break it down, and that enables me to flip any track. Over drums that are tapped, the perfect blend of pure facts. It's time to bring it back to the days of rap scholars, when your rhyme was for rap and not the almighty dollar. You see, I was there every step of the way. So now you know the reason why my rhyme style sways. I perfect structures of phrases I select, and the sound that you hear let you know that I'm correct. This is a musical journey, and sound's my only guide. I'm skilled in the field, so slide to the side.
You get the feel, so slide to the side. Technical difficulties. You get the feel, so slide to the side. Technical difficulties. You get the feel, so slide to the side. Technical difficulties. You get the feel, so slide to the side. Technical difficulties.
Radiant thoughts illuminate for the blind. A student of my culture translating through rhyme. Educated by time, so check my verbal design. Interject visuals through the use of the mind. It's all about the money nowadays, so what's the use? The only fortune I hold are the gems that I produce. The solution is what? But if you don't make the cut, you'll be the last in line once the door gets shut. The next chapter, page 1, the conscious rapper. Not in it for fame, so respect is what I'm after. Don't have to wave a gun to help generate funds, so record execs can start throwing me crumbs. Top dollar as I walk